it's Charlotte Rose and welcome to my channel. It's Christmas Eve and it's snowing in my neck of the woods, so I got myself a cup of hot chocolate, guys. It says Mama Bear right here. Guys, right here is this beautiful artwork I did. I got my inspiration from a YouTuber. Her name is Edith Gitta Vegh. Not sure if I'm saying her name right, guys, but she did hers in all paint. And I took mine up a notch, guys, and I had it glitter and all this sparkle, and I am loving it. Please go like, share, and comment under this video, guys, and hit me up on YouTube under Charlotte Rose. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified every time I put a new video up. Have yourselves a merry little Christmas.